Ineos has introduced its first limited edition variant of the Grenadier, celebrating the 100th anniversary of the British clothing brand Belstaff. The special edition, named the Grenadier 1924, focuses on visual enhancements rather than off-road upgrades. The Grenadier 1924, set for release on June 26, is limited to just 1,924 units worldwide. Each vehicle features a distinctive exterior finish combining magic mushroom with inky black, giving the Grenadier a refined yet rugged look. Additional exterior touches include gloss black diamond-cut 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels and a black front grille. The model is further distinguished by front and rear skid plates finished in dark gray. Inside, the Grenadier 1924 boasts a dark green finish on the dashboard, center stack, overhead console, switchgear, and console. The steering wheel, handbrake, and passenger grab handle are wrapped in new black saddle leather, and the interior is completed with a dark gray headliner. The Grenadier 1924 will make its public debut at a special centenary event for Belstaff from May 24 to 28 in Stoke-on-Trent, UK. This collaboration is not the first between Ineos and Belstaff, as the existing Trailmaster and Fieldmaster trims of the Grenadier are named after two of Belstaff's iconic jackets. Style that lasts a century deserves to be celebrated, and the Grenadier 1924 is both great-looking and a seriously assured drive, said Ineos Automotive Chief Executive Lynn Calder. Belstaff has been trusted by generations of bikers, sportspeople, and trendsetters, so we know we're in good company. Each Grenadier 1924 will include a plaque indicating its unique number among the 1,924 units. Pricing details have not yet been announced. The Ineos Grenadier 1924 offers a stylish homage to Belstaff's century-long legacy, combining rugged design with luxurious touches.